What is website designing? Website designing refers to the process of creating the visual layout, structure, and overall appearance of a website. It involves designing the user interface, including the arrangement of text, images, colors, and other elements to create an aesthetically pleasing and functional website. Website designing encompasses various aspects, such as layout and structure. This involves determining how the different sections and elements of the website will be organized. It includes designing the navigation menu, header, footer, and sidebars, and deciding the placement of content. Visual elements. This involves selecting and designing the visual components of the website, including the color scheme, typography, font styles and sizes, images, graphics, and icons. The visual elements should align with the website's purpose and target audience. Responsiveness. With the increasing use of mobile devices, it is essential for websites to be responsive. Responsive web design ensures that the website can adapt and display properly on different screen sizes and resolutions, including desktops, tablets, and smartphones. User experience UX design. UX design focuses on creating a positive experience for users while they navigate and interact with the website. It involves optimizing the website's usability, accessibility, and overall user satisfaction by considering factors such as page loading speed, intuitive navigation, clear calls to action, and easy-to-use forms. Wireframing and prototyping. Before starting the actual design process, web designers often create wireframes and prototypes. Wireframes are basic, simplified layouts that outline the structure and functionality of the website, while prototypes are interactive models that give a realistic representation of how the final website will look and function. Collaboration with developers. Web designers often work closely with web developers to bring the design to life. They collaborate to ensure that the design is implemented correctly, the website is functional, and the visual elements are optimized for performance. Overall, website designing combines creativity, technical skills, and a deep understanding of user needs to create visually appealing and user-friendly websites that effectively convey information and achieve their intended goals. What is the scope of website designing on Fiverr and other platforms? The scope of website designing on platforms like Fiverr and other freelance marketplaces can be quite extensive. These platforms provide opportunities for web designers to offer their services to a global clientele, allowing them to work remotely and earn income based on their skills and expertise. Here are some aspects of the scope of website designing on these platforms. Wide range of clients. Freelance platforms attract clients from various industries and backgrounds, including individuals, small businesses, startups, and even larger organizations. This provides web designers with a diverse client base and the opportunity to work on different types of projects. Custom website design. Clients often require unique and custom designed websites that align with their branding and specific needs. Web designers can offer their expertise in creating visually appealing, functional, and tailor-made websites for their clients. Website redesign and optimization. Many clients already have existing websites but may require a redesign or optimization to improve the user experience, update the design, or enhance the website's performance. Web designers can offer their services to revamp and improve existing websites. E-commerce website design. With the growth of online businesses, there is a demand for web designers who specialize in creating e-commerce websites. This includes designing product pages, shopping carts, payment gateways, and other essential e-commerce functionalities. Content management systems, CMS. Web designers can provide services for developing websites using popular CMS platforms like WordPress, Joomla, or Drupal. This involves creating themes, templates, and customizing the website's design and functionality based on the client's requirements. Responsive design and mobile optimization. As mobile usage continues to increase, clients are looking for web designers who can create websites that are responsive and optimized for different devices. This includes designing websites that adapt to different screen sizes and resolutions, ensuring a seamless user experience across desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Collaboration with developers. Freelance web designers often collaborate with developers on these platforms to implement the design and bring the website to life. This collaboration allows designers to focus on the visual aspects while the developers handle the technical implementation. It's worth noting that competition can be high on freelance platforms, so web designers need to showcase their skills, build a strong portfolio, provide excellent customer service, and deliver high-quality work to stand out and attract clients. Continuous learning and staying updated with the latest design trends and technologies are also important to maintain a competitive edge in the freelance market. How I can earn from website designing. There are several ways to earn from website designing. Here are some strategies you can consider. Freelancing. One of the most common ways to earn from website designing is by freelancing. You can offer your services as a freelance web designer on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, or even through your own website. Create a portfolio showcasing your work, set competitive rates, and market your services to attract clients. Freelancing allows you to work on a project basis and collaborate with clients worldwide. Building a client base. Focus on building relationships with clients who require website design services. Offer your services to local businesses, startups, or individuals in your network. Word-of-mouth referrals can also help in expanding your client base. Providing quality work, meeting deadlines, and offering excellent customer service can help you build a strong reputation and attract repeat clients. Creating website templates or themes. Design and develop website templates or themes that can be sold on platforms like ThemeForest or Template Monster. These platforms have a large user base looking for pre-designed website templates for various purposes. Ensure your templates are visually appealing, user-friendly, and customizable to cater to a wide range of clients. Developing and selling premium plugins or add-ons. If you have coding skills, you can create custom plugins or add-ons for popular content management systems like WordPress, Joomla, or Drupal. Identify common functionalities that website owners require and develop plugins to address those needs. You can sell these plugins on platforms like CodeCanyon or directly through your website. Offering maintenance and support services. Once you have designed and developed websites for clients, you can offer ongoing maintenance and support services. This includes tasks like updating content, troubleshooting issues, and performing regular backups. Clients often require ongoing assistance, and providing maintenance services can be a reliable source of income. Upselling additional services. When working with clients, you can offer additional services that complement website designing. This can include graphic design services, logo creation, search engine optimization, SEO, content writing, or social media marketing. Upselling additional services allows you to offer a comprehensive solution to clients and increase your earnings. Remember, building a successful career in website designing requires continuous improvement of your skills, staying updated with the latest design trends and technologies, providing excellent customer service, and delivering high-quality work. Networking, marketing your services, and maintaining a strong online presence through a website or portfolio are crucial for attracting clients and growing your earning potential.